exploding onto the asphalt with a cocktail of retro ferocity and rebellious charm. The 1974 Pontiac Firebird roars through automotive history like a phoenix wrapped in chrome and muscle. If your heart beats for tire-smoking legends and V8 symphonies from a golden era, then welcome to the pulse of our channel. Subscribe now and become part of a community where classics are more than machines. They're roaring stories etched in steel, speed, and spirit. The 1974 Firebird marked a pivotal chapter in Pontiac's muscle car lineage as the first model year to adopt federally mandated 5 mph front and rear bumpers. It brought bold new front-end styling with massive chrome bumpers seamlessly integrated into the body lines. The overall design leaned toward a more aggressive yet streamlined look, maintaining its fiery Trans Am attitude while adjusting to shifting safety regulations of the mid-70s. Under the hood, a range of muscular options was offered. The base model started with a 250 cubic inch inlet, while V8 options stretched from a 350 cubic inch to the legendary 455 Super Duty, the most monstrous configuration. The 455 SD produced an underrated 290 horsepower and over 395 pounds-ft of torque, though real-world figures suggested much more. That engine transformed the Trans Am into a street-legal brute, easily rivaling its rivals like the Dodge Challenger and Ford Mustang Mach 1 of the same era. The 1974 model also introduced improved radial tune suspension, tighter steering geometry, and stiffer stabilizer bars, enhancing cornering ability and making it more road-capable than its predecessors. The Firebird was offered in 4 trims: Base, Esprit, Formula, and the beastly Trans Am, with the latter boasting shaker hoods, flared fenders, and wild bird graphics that became instantly iconic. Today, pristine examples of the 1974 Firebird, particularly the 455 SD Trans Am, command serious collector attention. Prices vary from $28,000 for well-maintained base models to upwards of $125,000. For local, numbers-matching Super Duty versions, its value continues to rise as one of the last truly performance-focused American muscle cars before the full onset of emissions strangulation. More than just a car, the 74 Firebird embodies defiance, performance, and flamboyant individuality. It thrived in a time when regulations tried to tame horsepower and it refused to go quietly. If stories like these ignite your soul, tap subscribe and buckle in. Join our crew where legends live forever, where exhaust notes are a language, and where every subscriber fuels the flame of automotive heritage.